I love who I am becoming. Well, loving. I know I can be greater, but I'm not. I don't know why, but my mother makes me sad. The thought of her makes me sad. The thought of self can be sad. What is the root to all problems? Money, power, glory. For the first time, I can feel fear. I can smell death from a mile away. But fear won't win here. Something is dead. I can feel it inside. But no one understands. We are tired. So tired. We can't even ignore it. It's right here. Right next to us. I wake up and it's there. I wake up and I see change. Every day feels worse, yet slightly better. Why? I'm conscious of my mental breakdowns. It's cold. It's hard. What shall I do? Not one word. We just feel.